Alright y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show. Alright, live location at my crib outside in the rain, you see? Nothing but a scoop here, you see? Kind of flooded around here, you know? Probably flooded out there somewhere, you see? Out here somewhere. My girlfriend probably called for me already. And I'm outside filming, you see? Yep. As long as I don't accidentally drop my camera though. Okay, y'all see the cloudy skies? Scattered showers and thunderstorms, you see? Yep. I could have filmed on Jefferson Terrace, you know? Yep, this is going down in history right here, you know? I don't know what's down there though. Like I saw a car coming or something. Alright, thank God nobody's outside, you know, cause I don't want nobody on my show right now, you know. Oh! Lightning had just struck, you know. My girl was supposed to come over today, but, well, she have a car, honestly, but ain't no need for her to come over in this bad weather, you know. Whoa. You know? Okay, I'll be right back after these messages.